Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 20 of loving my minis in February. So my whole goal with this is to try to finish as many minis as I can. I've had this just constant adding to my minis and only doing a couple on Mini Mondays. And I thought this was a great way to do it. I know other people are doing it. It's so fun to watch these really quick wins. So we have $8 going in. How are you doing? Happy Friday. I am filming this Thursday night after my live. Always have so much fun with the gang, everybody that shows up. Thank you guys so much for showing up every week. The silent viewers, the people that chat it up. I love all of you guys and I appreciate you so much. So I'm excited to see if we finish any. I feel like we had one that needed 25 cents. So I think we should at least have one. I hope. So we are going to go to our paper clip, which is at number 4. We don't quite need that yet. So let's grab this, grab my D3, and let's see what we got. 3 for number 4. Do you have any plans this weekend? My launch is this morning, 9 a.m. Pacific, at noon Eastern. 6 gets 3. And I have some really fun things that I showed in my live tonight. I got nice feedback, so I feel like I'm on the right track with getting people what they want. And I couldn't do everything that I wanted to put in my live or in my launch this time. It was like my eyes were bigger than my time and ability, and I do need to sleep at some point. So I always have to push stuff off because I try to do too much. But I'm excited. Ooh, 3 got 3. I'm excited for what's coming, some new things. I have more dice coming. I found somebody that will stock the D5 that I was wanting. So that should be here on Monday. So I'm excited. I've got 2. I think I'm doing this correctly as I'm chatting. 6 got 2. Chatting and rolling. 2 for 7. 1, 2, and 3 for 8. So we will start at number 1 tomorrow. So let's get through this. All right, so number 1 only got 25 cents after all that. Okay, this one is from Margie at the Budget Evolution. And we can do 1 square. Perfect, and we'll start here tomorrow. So that is done. Number 3, number 2 got 25 cents. Oh my God. Maybe it's too late for me to do this. Number 2 got 75 cents. I started to mark that, so I can finish marking that one now. So that'll be 25. $50 and $75. So this is from Candy at Stuff and Budget, and that will save us $4 when we are all done. All right, number 3 got 75 cents as well. And this one is from Becca at Becca Budget 777. So I am going to do 3 more leaves. I guess this is fall leaves, so I should probably be doing a different color. All right, so that one will save us $6 when we are done. All right, number 4. Number 4 got a lot. Okay, well, I got $1.50, it looks like. Yep, $1.50 for number 4. This is from Spooky Budgets. We're going to save with Jason. So 25, 50, 75, $1, and then 25, 50. And this will save us $3 when we are done. All right, number 5 got $1. And this is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. pretty sure that was 4. I had dogs running behind me, so I got lost track. I think that was correct. All right, number 6. All right, number 6 got 2 50s. So I got $1.75. And this one needed 75, so we can take this back. Color in the last 3 from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. Perfect. All right. I don't know why I was putting that over there. So that saved us $4. So we can get another one. And let's see. It's another one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. This one will save $5, and we have $1. So I can do this whole column here. All right, that took a little longer than I meant to. So $1 going into number 6. And number 7 got 75 cents. And this one is from Our Beautiful Budgets. So we can do 25, 50, and 75. This will save us $3. All right, and then number 8 got $1.25. And here's the one that needed 25 cents. I knew there was one. All right, so we finished another Bookish Mama Budgets for $4. So we have $1 that we can put into a new one. So let's go to our queue. Ooh. Let's do this one from Isabel Gigi. So 1, 2. All right, so this will save us $2, so we can put in $1. All right, halfway there on that one. All right, well, we finished $8 today, so let's go up to the front. Let's put our prop coins away and then grab $8 since we put in $8 today and taken out $8. That's pretty good. 1, 2, 3. All right, so we'll go to the back. I cannot wait to see how much we save, especially how many challenges we finished. So we can add 2 more to this big old pile. Day 20, all done. Still can close it, so we have some work to do. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Hope you come back tomorrow for day 21. And yeah, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Have a fantastic weekend. And until next time, take care. Bye.